Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this game-changing Android launcher on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Download the Nextron Launcher 2026 scientific launcher from Play Store, and you can get this exact green high-tech theme. In the top, you can find a super technology-based analog clock and with a battery widget, then followed by the super designed icon pack, which actually look great. It looked like a cover but with the square icon pack. You can see the second page have a super clock widget, which followed by the weather, and it's look actually great weather widget. And then you can find some of the applications displays you can just customize if you just need it. And in the bottom you can find a dock ball. So if you just swipe on the side, you can find all the widgets you can just place on your home screen. You can just place wherever you just need it, and just go to the launcher setting first. You can see the launcher setting on the top. Click this and go to the theme section, and here you just need to find the theme number 10. Just click on the theme number 10 and just apply the theme. You can get the exact theme setup on this launcher. Just download this launcher and you have more the settings and also the themes. This is app drawer. It's look like simple app drawer with the same icon pack styled. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.